Hi, I'm Mike Hanfurger with Tricky Fast Studios. This is the final video in the series for building Pong with Cat Game Builder. In this video, we're going to set up the UI for keeping score. So first we'll start off with Canvas. Under the canvas, we're going to create two cat UI elements. So they're both going to be text boxes. There's one. There's two. We'll call one of them left score and the other one right score. Let's put them in the right spots. Okay, so now we want to do some data binding here. So the owner path is going to be left empty. This text value is going to be bound to named. And remember, we're keeping track on the score, so the left score. Make the font size 50. Let's do the same thing over here. Set the position. Okay, set this text value to named. Get the ball and do right score. Set the font size to 50. And let's give that a try. You can see the score is updating. Yep, now it's 1-1. There you have it, Pong. In this video, we learned how to create a UI that is bound to values on the ball to track score. Throughout the series on creating Pong, we've also learned about state machines, values, data binding, and triggers. I hope you found these videos informative and useful. For more information on Cat and how it can help you prototype and build games faster, please visit trickyfast.com/cat. I'm Mike Hanfurger with Tricky Fast Studios. Thanks for watching.